We are in the parking lot of Paradise Pier. We just got here after a, how long was it? 14-hour drive? 12-hour drive? 13? Something like that. Yeah. Larry's bringing the luggage. So we've never stayed here before. So we parked in the self-parking, and then here's a sign, go to the lobby. Ooh, gotta put your mask on. Ooh, I see Christmas trees. That's pretty. So we're gonna have to check in. We gotta show them our ID. And then, yeah, we have our room already. We got a text message saying what our room number is. Got some towels. Here's a little store. Oh, and it's open. Oh, they have coffee in a machine. That's cool. I have no idea where that is. They have little, oh my gosh, how cute is that? The little sand snowman. Okay. Little congested right here. I'm so sorry. Oh, here's the front desk. Okay, I'm gonna check in. Be right back. So we're in room 702. So he said come over to the elevators and put in your floor. Okay. Yeah. And then it tells you what elevator to take. So we're just, and see, you can go to the fire viewing on the 3rd floor. I guess it's really great there, he said, and the music, you can hear the music while it's going. So we're just waiting for our elevator. Ooh, there we go. Got the tree. Look at this. 7. Yep, it says on the side. You don't even need to push anything. That's cool. Are you ready?
Tree.
That's cool. Yay.
7th floor.
7th floor.
Going down.
Okay, so coming out, we want 702. So we're gonna go this way. It's pretty. I like the floor. It's magical.
The surfboard.
Yeah. The surfboards. Yeah, it's cool. You can see the surfboard numbers. 702. Almost there. We're at the end. That's cool. We must be right here. Nope, 701. We're right. 702. Okay, go. Yay. Okay. Oh, that's cool. There's a bathroom when you come in. Wow. You got it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, the door's open. Oh, cool. Look at the mirror. That's neat. The little lighthouse lamp. Little sitting area. I'm gonna put my stuff right here. Ooh. Okay. Oh, look at the lamp. The surfboard. That's really cool. What is the view? Oh my goodness, look at the view.
Oh, that's
wait.
awesome.
Let's see. That is really neat. Cool. So there's, I think, a pull-out couch. Yeah, that's a pull-out couch. So someone can sleep there. And then 2 queen beds. just thanks for coming in. They have it's kind of neat. You can have plugins and then that old phone. Nothing. I like that picture right there of Donald Duck. Bee at the beach. Did you notice the sheets have little Mickeys in them? And the pillows. That's kind of neat. Like the little lamps. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice this. Look at this lamp. It's got Mickey on it.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is neat.
I
So,
really like this view. It's really
yeah, the view's nice. Got the TV. Let's see. Oh, there's the fridge and the safe. Yeah. Cool. And when you walk in, then there's the coffee. It's got a big. Let's turn the light on. Yeah. Got a big closet. Yeah. Okay, so here's the bathroom. There we go. It's got one sink, toilet, and then the shower. It's kind of dark, but it's clean. It's got all the soaps that they provide. What do you think, babe? Larry's in the curtain, looking at the view. It's magical for sure. Yeah. Yeah. So tell us down below in the comments if you guys have stayed here, if you like it, what you like about it, if you don't like it. This is our first time, so we don't know what to expect yet. If it's going to be easy to walk to the park, stuff like that. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.